Pritam Singh is a well-known Indian origin politician in Singapore, serving as the leader of the opposition and head of Workers' Party. However, recently he has been in the news for a legal battle that has raised question about his future in politics. So, let's dive into his story and the impact of this particular case that might have on Singapore's political landscape, specifically as country gears up for its next general elections. Let's first know who exactly is Pritam Singh. Singh, born on August 2nd, 1976 in Singapore. He has made a name for himself as a politician, lawyer, and even an author. A highly educated individual, Singh studied at top universities. He graduated with a Bachelor's of Arts in History from the National University of Singapore, followed by a Master's degree in War Studies from King's College, London, all on prestigious scholarship. Later on, he earned a Juris Doctor degree from Singapore Management University. Before entering into politics, Singh worked as a lawyer in one of Singapore's oldest law firms. Then back in 2011, Singh entered politics and became Member of Parliament for the Workers' Party. Over time, he grew within the party, eventually becoming the Secretary General in 2018. His leadership saw the Workers' Party become a formidable opposition force in Singapore. Then, in 2020, after the Workers' Party made history by winning 10 votes in the parliament, Singh became Singapore's first ever official leader of the opposition. Now, let's know what exactly happened in the court. So recently, Pritam Singh found himself in a hot water due to controversial legal case that could affect his political career. He was found guilty of lying to Singapore's parliament during an investigation into false claim made by another Worker Party member, Raisa Khan, back in 2021. The controversy began when Raisa Khan, a former MP from the Workers' Party, made a false statement in Parliament in 2021, claiming that she had accompanied a rape survivor to a police station. Later on, she admitted that her story was fabricated. This led to an investigation by the Committee of Privileges into how the falsehood was handled within the Workers' Party. Pritam Singh was accused of lying to the COP about his involvement in the handling Khan's false statement. The court ruled that Singh had misinterpreted the truth about what exactly happened and had even suggested to Khan that she could keep the lie to herself until and unless it became a bigger issue. In the meantime, Singh's defense was that he had tried to help Khan, but the prosecution argued that Singh did not press Khan to correct her false statement and instead allowed her to continue about the lie. Witnesses, including Khan herself, testified that Singh did not encourage her to come clean. Now, this particular case has huge political consequences. As the leader of opposition, Singh plays a very important role in shaping Singapore's political future. His conviction could affect his ability to participate in the upcoming general elections, which must be held by November 2025. Let me tell you, under Singaporean law, if a politician is fined in a certain amount or sentenced to jail, they could be disqualified from standing for the elections. The prosecution has suggested a fine of 7,000 Singaporean dollar, that is around 5,200 United States dollar, that is per charge. But if Singh faces a longer sentence or jail time, he might be disqualified from contesting the next elections. Talking about the political scenario, then the Workers' Party, which Singh leads, has become one of the most powerful opposition forces in Singapore. In 2020 elections, the Workers' Party achieved its best ever result, securing 10 votes in the parliament. This marks a significant shift in Singapore's political landscape, which has been dominated by the ruling People's Action Party for decades now. However, the Workers' Party's position is now in jeopardy due to this particular scandal. Singh's legal trouble could undermine the party's ability to mount a serious challenge to the PAP. Furthermore, the party has already faced internal struggles, including the resignation of Raisa Khan and another MP scandal involving an affair. If Singh is unable to contest the upcoming elections, the Worker Party could lose its momentum and the PAP might maintain its strong hold on the government. Talking about the future, then for now, Singh's case is in the hand of the court and the final sentence will be determined in near future. If he is fined, he may still be able to run in the next elections, but if he faces jail time, it could be a game changer to his career and the Workers' Party as a whole. Let me tell you that this particular case has also brought attention to the challenges facing the opposition in Singapore, specifically when dealing with controversial issues and internal party disputes. As Singapore approaches its next elections, all eyes will be on how the Workers' Party navigates this particular scandal and whether Singh will remain at the helm or be forced to step down.